In onion sauce with palm oil, so you can eat it with your yam, majorly your yam. So we have sliced onions, dry pepper, a little bit of mangi to eat. So I'm going to be adding my oil to it right now. Then I'll also add my salt to taste. So it's a very easy and simple meat to make. So I'm going to be adding my red oil to it right now. Just a little bit of red oil, should not be that much. Just add it to it. So this is a very delicious local sauce. Most of you might know this, but so you just add this to it. Then I'm going to be adding my salt to it now. So this is me adding my salt to it. So you can also test if the salt is enough for it. If it's not enough, you can add, but just try to avoid too much salt, because when the salt is much, you won't enjoy this local sauce. So when we've added all the ingredients like this, so I'll stir together. The next thing, I'll take it and put it on the gas for it to cook. A little. So that's what I'm going to be transferring it now to the gas. So this is me transferring it to the gas. So there's light on that. So this is me transferring it. So I'll remove my spoon so it does not melt in the sauce. So this is what you're going to do. So you just leave it and allow it to cook for some minutes, so the crunchiness of the onions can be reduced a little, so it does not smell once you finish eating. It does not smell in your mouth once you finish eating. So that's the reason why we are heating this particular sauce. And if you feel that the oil is not enough, you can also add to the oil, especially when your family are more that want to eat it. So you can also add to the oil. So I'm going to be adding a little bit myself to the already existing oil. So this is it. So this is a very very simple sauce. When you don't have egg and you don't know what, or you're tired of using maybe stew and yam to eat, so you can also make this one for yourself. So people do use it to eat rice, but mainly I use it to eat yam or cocoyam or plantain. That's what I mainly use it, and it's very delicious. So you can try it out and drop your comments in the comments box. So we're going to wait for it to cook. So it's already boiling, so we're just going to cover it for the heat to steam it very fast. So just cover it and just wait for like 5 or 10 minutes, depending on how crunchy you want it to be. So just wait for 5 or 10 minutes then before you bring it down. So our sauce is ready to be chopped. So this is it. So like this is ready to eat, ready to go, ready to dive into it. So just try it and let me know under the comment section. Please do well to follow my channel for more updates. Thank you. Bye bye.